Hello, my name's Alien Hardmark, and welcome back to Call of Duty Ghosts. Playing another free-for-all match. I thought I'd go back with the old chainsaw. Did quite well with it last time. See what it's like in a more fast-paced kind of a match. Like this one here. Obviously you've got to find people to shoot first. I mean, you've moved quite quickly with this gun. Which I just like this gun. It's a bit different to all the other ones. Nothing wrong with change. I can hear footsteps. Probably mine. Oh no, they might have been his. Down. I'm definitely getting better at this game. I can actually kill people now. Oh, it's that guy again. I might have to try the shotguns out. I've only ever used the bulldog, which is quite... Oh, dearie me. I was in the middle of talking there. So rude to these people. Him too. Nah, don't worry. Oh. Somebody there. Yeah, I can't wait to unlock steady aim to give this gun a go. Oh, I'm still not sure where everybody hides on these maps. You know, I just run around, blasting, hoping for the best. I always get shot by in the back by somebody who's hiding there. Which I don't mind. We all got to hide. Just I wish it wouldn't keep happening to me. That shotgun man is running around like a maniac. Oh, why did I go for the noob tube? Why did I go for the launcher? Rapid fire launcher on this as well.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Oh dearie me. I don't generally like staying in the same place too long. Oh, some people do. I just like running around hoping for the best. I suppose it depends on what gun you're using, really, isn't it? But nobody. There's usually loads of people running around on this map. I haven't seen many people. Oh, that guy still hid there. Yeah, that lovely beeping noise when you know death is about to come. Let's go up these stairs. Oh, he's not there anymore. Ah, I get confused. Getting confused on where I am.
SATCOM spotted. Enemy SATCOM spotted.
SATCOM has been spotted.
Enemy care package incoming.
And a care package. Oh, it's all go today. It's all go. Oh, crikey. He wanted me dead, didn't he? Noob tubed, yeah. Oh, I deserve that. What? He was stood still. Boom. Missed the shotgun. No. That beeping. Shot in the back. No way. What happened there? There we go. May have to start using the shotgun a bit more for these maps because they seem to just blast. Didn't even see him there. Thankfully for me, he's not a great shot. Oh, shotgun man again. How do I use that shotgun? It looks quite good. It's like the Spaz from Modern Warfare 2 then. It's great, but I'll give it a go. I might unlock it next unlock.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Yeah, and go back to this when I get steady aim because I just think it'd be so much better. Oh, where is everyone? A bit more blasting would be nice. Hello. Oh. No running from me. Get noob tubed in the back. No. I do like free for all. It never stops, does it? You do die a lot of times, mind. Well, I do. It's all part of the fun. Ran straight past me, no idea where he was. I just fire and hope for the best. Obviously the best didn't happen, but you know.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Third place is down. Oh, I keep hearing footsteps and going, which direction are they coming from? Come on, where's everyone? Get one more kill before the game's over. Oh, we got one more kill before the game's over. I'm happy with that. I didn't know what I was doing there, I got confused, panicked. Pressed every button.
Enemy care package incoming.
There we go, where do we go? Fourth place? 18 and 27. Not exactly great. Look at the last kill. There we go. There we are. So yeah, I might be giving a shotgun a go in the next one. Depends if I can unlock it yet or not, we'll see. Get rid of that bulldog. There we are. See if I unlocked anything. I don't think I did. But we shall see. What did we get? Absolutely nothing. Right, well thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to leave a like, a comment, or even subscribe, that would be brilliant. Thank you very much. Bye.